Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm excited to share how to make search-based videos from start to finish step by step. So, let's get started. In this video, we will discuss 3 steps: script writing, creating voiceover, and lastly recording and editing. You can use different AI-powered tools to make a script for search-based video. In this video, we will use ChatGPT. In the prompt box, type in that you want a script for the search-based video. You will get your script within 2 to 5 minutes. Once your script is ready, you can simply copy that final script and paste it where you want to create a voiceover. In this video, we will use Seerek.com. Go to Seerek.com and paste the text in the text box. Choose the voiceover artist you want. Next, click on the Generate button. It will take a few seconds to generate your voiceover. Once the voice is done, click on Download button to download it. Now the last and final step: record and editing. We will use Wondershare Filmora. Open this video editing software. Next, click on the Record button in the top bar. Choose the cursor settings you like and start the recording. After that, import your voiceover and start editing. Synchronize the voiceover and recording. You can use different transitions and effects to make your video more engaging. And there you have it. This is how you can create a search-based video. Thanks for watching.